Alright guys, I will show you how to make the stickers for Flora. Here is Flora and it's really easy to do. Let's do it. Now first put the Flora in a scanner, scan the image, and after that you gotta edit it with any picture software. Crop the size you need, don't forget to repaint, and here's what I'm doing. This one is really easy. And try to do the best you can. You don't need to be perfect. Now look at this. Now put in the second color and the next Flora right there in the center, and the red background for the letters of Flora right there. So the same is for the next the top stickers. Just crop the image, try to do the closest you can. There you go. So now I just put the same letters and I will put it on the center right there and repaint the background like that. I used to copy the same color with the same software. Now don't forget to use sticker photo paper, glossy. So now we are printing, and once you are done with the printing process, you can use either scissors or this picture photo cutter, but I'm gonna use my machine. Oh, this is so satisfying. I know, I like it. So right here I'm pre-coding everything and ready for those who want to buy it. If you need some stickers, you know where to go. Just go to the description and you can get some stickers. The link should be in the description. If you cannot find it, you can contact me on Facebook and we can arrange the shipping. Now these stickers are ready to peel and stick. Very easy. See, perfect to the size. Okay, that's it for today.